Hi and welcome back to English Language and Literature. So I started watching Bridgerton only a couple of weeks ago and now I'm obsessed. The drama, the elegance and the scandals. But here's the best part. It's a secret weapon for learning English. Let's break down episode 1 and see why. Well, why episode 1? Because it sets everything up. Characters, accents and different styles of English. If you can follow this episode, the rest of the show gets easier. Let's start with Lady Whistledown. Her voice is slow, clear and dramatic. Perfect for English learners. Don't you think so? Listen for words like scandal, reputation and distinguished. Trust me, you'll hear them a lot. Let's look at the word distinguished. This means respected and important. In Bridgerton, men with high status are called distinguished men. You can use it too. Example, she is a distinguished professor at the university. Eloise talks fast. Daphne is calmer.
Bath already?
How does a lady come to be with child?
Eloise, what's a question?
I thought one needed to be married.
Whatever are you talking about?
Apparently it's not even a requirement.
Eloise, that is more than enough.
This contrast is gold for English learners. Try shadowing. Pause the scene, repeat their lines and match their tone. Now, the Queen. Her English is sharp, formal and commanding. Words like Your Majesty and debutante help you sound polite and powerful. Let's talk about Simon and Daphne's first meeting. A masterclass in flirty formal English. Notice phrases like forgive me and I shall take my leave. Sounds fancy, but people still use them today. Let us look at the phrase I shall take my leave. This is a very polite way to say I'm leaving now. It's old-fashioned but still used in formal situations or even jokingly. Try saying it when you leave a gathering to sound extra fancy. Here's a fun fact. The actors work with dialect coaches to perfect their accents. Even native English speakers had to train. So if British English feels tricky, don't worry. Even professionals struggle. As I was saying, the ballroom scenes are full of formal introductions. May I have this dance? It's an honor to meet you. This kind of English is great for social and professional situations. The Featheringtons gossip a lot. This is great for learning casual everyday English. Listen for phrases like, did you hear? Surely not. And I simply cannot believe it. Bridgerton isn't just romance and drama. It's an English lesson wrapped in luxury. Want me to break down another episode? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Until next time, bye-bye. Take care.